Okay, we are now going to read our story, and it is Bear Stays Up for Christmas. I love all the bear books, all of them. You should check these out at the library. They are wonderful books. This is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Bear Stays Up for Christmas. Oh, there's Bear. He's sleeping where? Yep, in his den. He's sleeping in his den because it's cold outside. There's the title page. The day before Christmas, snuggled on his floor, Bear sleeps soundly with a great big snore. He looks so comfy in his den. "Dear Bear, get up," Mouse shouts in his ear. "We won't let you sleep through Christmas this year." His friends are all there, gathered in his lair, and the bear wakes up. All his friends are telling him, "You better get up. You don't want to sleep through Christmas again." Well, he stands with a stretch and a great big sigh. "I hope I can make it. Oh, I do want to try." "Don't worry," squeaks Mouse. Hare says, "It's all right. We'll keep you busy all day and all night." So his friends are going to try and help him to stay up. He tries to lie down, but his friends all frown. So the bear stays up. He really wants to lay down. But look, all his friends are saying, "Nope, you got to stay up." "Come on," says Badger. "Time to follow me. In Pine Grove Glen, there is a fine Christmas tree." So they stomp through the woods and they tromp down the track. They hoist up the tree onto Bear's big back. They're getting a big Christmas tree. He plods very slowly as they trudge through the snow, but the bear stays up. Look at him. It looks like it's storming too. And back at the cave, Gopher brews some mint tea, and Mole pops corn to string upon the tree. Raven and Wren, they bake a fresh fruit cake. The friends do their best to keep Bear awake. They're decorating the tree. His shoulders start to stoop and his eyelids start to droop, but Bear stays up. He's trying. His eyeballs are getting sleepy. They hang up their stockings by warm firelight and hum Christmas songs like "Oh Holy Night." They cuddle and sing as they wait for the sun. Because when the sun comes up, that means it's Christmas, right? Yeah. But soon all the voices fade to just one. A bright star glows while his good friends doze, but the bear stays up. Look, all his friends went to sleep, but not Bear. He stayed up. Bear giggles and grins, and he works and he raps. He bustles and bakes while everyone naps. He piles up presents under the tree, but who's at the doorway? Bear doesn't see. He toils all night until the sun rises, making his friends their Christmas surprises. Just before dawn, he lets out a big yawn, but he still stays up. So he's working all night making gifts for his friends. Well, when Christmas arrives, so lovely and white, Bear's friends awake to a glorious sight. Presents and goodies are piled up tall. I stayed up, said Bear, just to share with you all. All the presents that Bear made for his friends. As his friends shout with glee, Bear lies by the tree, but he still stays up. Wren flies to the stockings and tweets out a cheer. Besides our Bear's presents, Santa was here. When all the gifts are open, there's one last surprise. Badger shows Bear a quilt, just his size. Look what Bear got for Christmas. Oh, what a wonderful quilt. Bear snuggles up tight and mutters, "Good night." And then Bear falls asleep. That is a wonderful gift. That was a great book. I love, like I said, my Bear books. It's time now for us to say goodbye. So will you sing the goodbye song with Ollie and I? Okay, you ready, Ollie? All right. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me, goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, good singing. Will you blow kisses, Ollie? You gonna catch them? Okay, here he goes. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, good blowing kisses, Ollie. Will you guys blow some kisses for Ollie to catch? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? All right, he is ready. And oh, there's one, and there's one, and there's one. Oh, and there's one. Oh, good job. Rub them on your cheek. Oh, thank you, boys and girls. We will see you tomorrow for another lesson learning about hibernation. Bye-bye.